Hey everyone, so this video is used to show how we can retrieve parameters from URL in Django. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So what do you mean basically by retrieving parameters from URL is that, for example, this is a URL of study Gyan and we want to retrieve the Django part. So this is called retrieving parameters from URL. This process is used in many websites, and now let's uh, look that how we can implement this. So first of all, you guys will need a Django project, and inside that we can make a path in our URL. Let me show you that. Okay, so the path which we are using is article slash a parameter for year, month, and slug. And whenever we go in this path, we are calling a function article details from our views.py file. Let me show you that. Okay, so this is our function article detail, which is having three parameters: year, month, and slug. So what we are basically doing here is that we are taking three variables by the name month param, year param, and slug param to store these values, and then we are simply printing these values here in our terminal and returning a HTTP response about checking the terminal. Okay, so let's check the code. um, so my server is running. Let me show you guys the website. So this is my home page, and now we can go to the path which is article, and here we can give any year, suppose 1990, a month, suppose 7, and any slug like yes. Okay, so whenever we press enter, we'll see that it shows check the terminal. So let's check the terminal, and as you can see here, we have printed 1997 and yes, all the three parameters which we have input in our website. So as you can see, we have successfully extracted parameters from the URL in Django. So this marks the end of the video. Thanks for watching.